There are signs the red-hot pandemic-era housing market is starting to cool, and that means different things for buyers and sellers.
And KCRA 3's Melanie Wingo joining us now live from Sacramento with more about how realtors are processing current market trends and advising their clients accordingly. And man, it has been hot for so long, Melanie. We need some cooling desperately.
Yes, and realtors say that things are starting to even out with the real estate market. But whether you are looking to sell your home or buy a new one, realtors say it's important to set realistic expectations.
When we talk about what's happening with today's housing market, realtor Melissa Quaid says it helps to look at where things stood just a few short years ago.
2019, we actually started to see a little bit of a balancing act.
Buyers and sellers, Quaid says, experienced a more even playing field.
The pandemic hit and nobody knew what to expect.
With working from home a new reality, buyers began looking for places that could be both home and office.
Buyer demand rose incredibly high. There just wasn't enough inventory for the buyers.
Selling homes in pricier markets and scooping up available home inventory in the greater Sacramento area.
Your typical buyer who needs an 80% loan or a 90% loan, they were getting beat out time and time again. It was really incredibly frustrating for typical buyers.
Local sellers quickly gaining the upper hand.
Sellers were very, very spoiled here over the last couple of years.
But the tide is turning with major economic uncertainty at the national level.
The market has definitely shifted and definitely slowed down.
The Federal Reserve raising the interest rate this week by 0.75 percentage point to stem inflation, meaning different things for both potential buyers and sellers.
It is not the hottest seller's market that it was over the last couple of years. I wouldn't go so far as to say that it is a buyer's market yet. I would say it's more of a balanced market.
So Quaid is offering points to consider for those in the housing market.
Sellers, you can't overprice anymore. You can't expect the moon. You can't expect that you're going to get the cash buyer waiving all contingencies.
And for buyers, she says although competition has eased, interest rates will affect your purchasing power.
Try to wrap your brain around the fact that interest rates have gone up. We're going to have to get comfortable with the fact that this is the new normal with regard to interest rates.
Now, another indicator that the market is starting to even out or shift just a little bit, realtors say that they're starting to see many more active listings compared to pending sales. And just to put that all in perspective, when the market was super hot, they would see just as many pending sales as there were active listings. Reporting live in Sacramento, Melanie Wingo, KCRA 3 News.
The bottom line, inventory is still very low, which is still kind of driving those numbers. But thanks for the rundown, Melanie. We appreciate it.
All right.